Hi golden friends, happy Sunday. So today I'm making a round succulent arrangement in this hypertufa pot. Another old one that I have around, and it's kind of flaky right here, so I've got to be really careful with that. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to fit all the plants that I have for it, but here we go. At least I'll try. And I'll start with this one. This is a Echeveria Blueprints. Very cute. It's a small one. And living up to its name, it's got that like blue kind of purple hue. Very pretty. I have an Echeveria Lola, another very small one, but this one is like that pale color with the pink. Isn't that just beautiful? Oh my gosh, so well developed to be so small. It's like a perfect little rosette there. We've got Aeonium lily pad, nice and round, super green. Will add some, brightness to the arrangement. I have, this is a lace aloe. Let's see if you can capture it right there. Yeah, so you can see that it's kind of bumpy. So you can actually feel the bumps on the leaves on this one. This is an, what's the name on this one? Aristaloe Aristata, also known as lace aloe, because if I focus on the tips there, the little tips on the leaves are kind of like stringy. A very cool aloe. And this one is even popping out a little baby. Check it out. Isn't that cute? A baby having a baby. It's good when it comes to plants, I guess. Not to humans. Plants, babies having babies. That's a good thing. Alright. And let me show you this interesting plant here. This is mini rat tail. A very cool little cactus to have. This is Aporocactus Flagelliformis rat tail. To me, way easier to remember. And this kind of cactus looks perfect in hanging baskets or in tall planters because their little stems here grow very tall and they tend to trail down because they get top heavy. And they're kind of fuzzy. I mean, I can't really say that the spikes on them are like super painful. They kind of just rub off the skin easily. So it's not a cactus that you need to like be careful when handling. And I've got two clusters right there. And of course the beautiful Echeveria lime and chili that I left behind for the last arrangement. I made another arrangement and this one here didn't fit, so I'm going to use it, or at least try to fit it into this one here. So let's get started with that. And I'll fill my little planter here with cactus soil. And I'll see how much I can actually fit in this little planter. Let's see. So for sure I want my cluster of rat tail in the back. And they've got really healthy roots there, so I'm going to make the swell a nice deep one so they can all fit in there happily. And I'm going to kind of just grab it as it is and just put it right in the center there towards the back. And settle it down with the soil that I press around it. It is a beautiful Sunday morning here. It's late morning. Nice and quiet. The birdies are out by the bird feeder. I love that. I hope you can hear them. But yeah, very peaceful out here with the little birdies. Perfect. All right, so the rat tail is in. Let's see. What should I do next? I will do, for sure, the lime and chili because I want it in here. And I'll put it right over here. I'll lift that little cactus up and tuck this little one in there. All right. And I really want to add the Lola because the Lola will give it, you see how the tips on the little rat tail here are kind of like pinkish reddish? I think it'll look so cute with the Lola, right? Oh, I'll put the Lola right here in the front since it's nice and small. It doesn't need that much room. Oh, that's so cute. I love little Lolas. Love them. Okay, and for sure I want the blueprints. And if I can get the blueprints right in the center there, that would be perfect. Let's see. Kind of tuck it in right here. Is that going to work? Yeah, it seems like it's going to work. Beautiful. All right. And now I've got my lace aloe and the lily pad. So the lace aloe is going to take up the most space. So I will put it towards the back, and I'll even adjust the cactus a bit towards the left side. So I can be able to make a well here for my lace aloe. And this little lace aloe came from a big mom, and that mom gave me like 10 lace aloe pups. So if you see a lace aloe at your garden center, because they're pretty common, I see them a lot, at least around here, at the even the big box stores like the Home Depot. Get yourself one if you ever see one, because they're prolific. They offset babies all on their own and give you more. I always like to collect the succulents that are prolific because I obviously want more and can't have enough, right? So if you buy one and get like 5 of them because they give you babies, that's what you want to do. I'm going to tuck that blueprints in. I don't think it's really liking that little space there, but I'm going to try and just tuck it in there. And let's see. I will try to fit the lily pad right in here, and it's got a tall stem there, and it's got really hard roots, these lily pads. And so I'm going to be careful and make a deep well with my finger. Try to tuck this one in right by the blueprints and tuck that root in. Settle it down with some soil, and I may need to add more soil. I'm running out of soil here. I think I can make it. Oh. That blueprint is not. It's not sticking. It doesn't like that spot. So I will try and put the lily pad in the center and the blueprints towards the rim like that Lola is. Let's see if that works. Okay. I'll take this Lola out for now. Settle down some soil here in the back. Okay, and now I have this space here for the Lola and the blueprints. And I'll put the Lola where it was and the blueprints right over here. But I do need more soil, so let me get what I have left here. There we go. Now we'll have enough soil to tuck them all in. Okay. Okay, so Lola here. Beautiful. And the blueprints here. Okay. Oh, that looks better. Yeah, I think that looks better. And I'm just settling down the soil around it with my knitting needle, with the top part of my knitting needle, because I will be laying down some stones for this one so it can stay nice and flat. Oh, that's a cute little planter right there. That is cute. And I'll move on to my stones here, and I have some small ones, or at least kind of small. I'll try to take out most of the big ones here. All right, and I'll start in the back here. I'll even put some in that little hole there. Sorry if I'm not talking, making a lot of conversation here. Just trying to get all these stones in to fit in nicely. That one's too big. All right. Almost there. Hey, if you're still watching, thank you for your patience. You're a very patient person. All right. I'm going to go around this side over here. Everyone should make a little arrangement on a Sunday, right? I think that would make them feel a lot better. Growing a garden is like therapy to me, you know. I think everyone can benefit from being a little closer to nature. Just makes you feel good. Because you just can't go wrong, you know? I think I'm pretty much done with the stones here, but I can always squeeze in a little more. But I'll stop myself. Cute. Well, that was very relaxing. I really enjoyed making this little planter here. Wow, so let me get my little blower here and blow some soil. From in between the rocks here, from the middle of their rosettes. Rat tail. Oh man, I have more rat tail. So I'm definitely going to plant some in a hanging basket for sure. I need to do that. I want to see them grow nice and tall and trail over. Oh, so cute. Oh man, so let me pick this up so you can see it a little better, but oh, it looks so nice. Look at that. And this one definitely looks better tucked in the back than the blueprints did. How cute is that? And look at the top of that rat tail right there. Isn't that cute? How they grow like that? Oh, I really enjoyed this video. I hope you did too, and maybe I inspired you to get out there and plant a little something. Happy Sunday, garden friends. Until next time, happy planting.